Here it is the continuation of VTU circular regarding the online application form. In the annexure 1 and 2, so there is the information related to the general instruction to attend the examination and general instructions given to the students to fill the online application form. But in the annexure 3, the VTU circular has given the deep information regarding the conduct of examinations and what is the mode of writing the examination. So first one, the students who have completed their engineering course and having any one or two backlog subjects. For such students, so they can fill the examination application forms with a prescribed fees as per the norms. So that is explained in the annexure 4, and he can write the theory and practical examinations in the offline mode only with the help of pen and paper only. The question paper for those students will be normal choice, no open choice. It's a normal choice as per the regulations of the VTU. Next, the second point is concerned to the terminal semester students. Current terminal semester students means for UG courses 8 sem and architecture UG, that is 10th semester, and for PG courses 4th semester students, for MCA MTech part time 6th semester. Those are the terminal semester, end semester students. For such students, such students can fill the examination application forms as per the prescribed fee only. Current terminal semester or final semester theory examination and lower semester backlog will be conducted offline mode only for these students. This is very, very important. Current terminal semester theory examination as well as lower semester backlog subject. If the current semester students having any backlog in the previous odd semester or previous even semesters, so such examination should be conducted in an offline mode. Third point, the question paper for these students for the current terminal semester examination will have the open choice. This is already explained in our previous videos. If you want any clarification regarding that, just go through my previous videos. For current terminal semester students, the exam question paper will be open choice. Means they will give 10 questions. Out of 10 questions, you need to write only 5 questions, choosing any questions from the model. You don't have any questions but restricted concerned to the model wise. They will give overall 10 questions. Out of 10, you need to write only 5. So this is only for the current terminal semester students. Next, the question paper for backlog students will be normal choice as per the applicable scheme and regulations. Even though the students who are in the current terminal semester, if they are having any backlog subjects in the previous semesters or 7th semester, 6th semester, 5th semester, in that case the question paper will be normal choice, no open choice. This is very, very important. Only for the current terminal question paper should be open choice and remaining backlog subject should be of normal choice. Normal choice means they will need to write the model wise question paper. In case of the examinations where Viva Voce is the only component, such Viva Voce examinations will be preferably conducted in the online mode. Only the practical examination or any examinations which is related to Viva Voce, those should be conducted in the online mode. This is very important point concerned to current terminal of any course. Next, students of current intermediate semester. This point is very, very, very important. The students of current intermediate semesters, that is 2nd semester, 4th semester and 6th semester of any course, UG course, PG course, already has mentioned here. So these students can fill the examination application forms with a prescribed fee for their regular intermediate semester and backlog subjects. Okay. The fee for the current intermediate semester is rupees 300. So whatever the students got promotion to the next semester, such students can fill the exam application form. Their fees is rupees 300. They need not to write any examination concerned to this. They already got promotion. Even though they have to fill the exam application forms with a fee of about 300 rupees. This is very, very important. P for the backlog subjects, if any, is as for the university prescribed fee structure. That fee structure is explained in the annexure 4 in detail. But you should understand that for the current intermediate semester, the fee is rupees 300. For theory and practical subjects of current intermediate semester, results will be processed based on already regarding these results of current intermediate semester is explained in one video. Just go through that video, you will get clear information regarding that. In the case of backlog subjects, both the theory and practical examinations will be conducted in the offline mode. If you are having any backlog subjects in the first semester, any third semester, any fifth semester, those should be in the offline mode only. For the backlog subjects, the question paper will be normal choice. The duration of the examination is 3 hours as per the applicable scheme. Next, fourth one. The students who had lost eligibility and were not attending classes during the current academic year 2019-20 means the students were having the more than 4 backlogs or year back students. For such students, they can fill the examination application form with a prescribed fee that is noted in the Annexure 4. Both theory and practical examinations will be conducted for these students in the offline mode as usual. The question paper for these students will be normal choice. So this is also as usual. They need to write the examination 3 hours and their question paper will be normal choice. So this is concerned to the way of conduction of the exams for for filling the application form for the current terminal semester students, regular subjects and backlog subjects, and current intermediate semester students for the regular semester and backlog subjects, and also for the year back students. Next one, the students registered under the one-time exit scheme appearing for the various semester. One-time exit scheme register students. These students can fill the examination application form with a prescribed fee for the regular semester and backlog subjects that is given in the Annexure 4. Both regular and arrear semester theory and practical examination will be conducted in the offline mode as usual. The question paper for these students will be normal choice as usual. In case of examinations where Vivas is only the component, such Vivas examination will be prepared and conducted in the online mode. So this is what the conduction of examination for these 5 cases students. So with respect to the amount of the application form fees will be explained in the Annexure 4, and that will the length of the video is stretching more. That's why we'll stop now and we'll give information regarding that Annexure 4 in the next video. Thank you.